Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are right now on the website of r.honeygain.me slash rjwei1 ei21d3f, and this website is for us and it is going to tell us with Honey Gain how we can earn passive income effortlessly. So, with this app, we are going to learn it. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So, if you register new to Honeygain, here is a $5 gift. Join Honeygain now and receive a $5 gift for free. So, that is an amazing app. Okay, let's go for more. You will believe it or not. Let's see here. This app has almost 10,899 reviews on Trustpilot. Curious? Scroll down to learn more. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for stream platform. Sorry. Let's read here. Okay, streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, and simply treat yourself with a little online shopping free. After all, you will earn free money with Honeygain. Learn more. But before that, I will go last. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks or gain access to the storage of your device. Then know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your device acts like view towers and help world famous business access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restriction on censorship. Estimate your earnings directly opened on the amount of the traffic you shared with Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. $55 per month, 3 IPs recommended. Daily traffic shared about 6 GB. Daily content delivery is about 3 hours. What is content delivery? The interactive earnings estimation tool should only be used for information purposes uh, and not guarantee you will earn a particular sum every month. The actual amount of money you make varies on the traffic you share with Honeygain and the activity of the content delivery failure. To reach desired amount of GBs shared, you may need to run Honeygain on multiple IP address. The traffic demand on also varies according to your country and device. Factors that influence how much you earn. Your location. Your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for your business clients, such as well as the number of users in your area. The number of IP addresses. More IP addresses your device are connected to, the more you can earn. Network ping slash speed. To hit the sweet spot, aim for a speed greater than 50 Mbps and ping of less than 50 meters second. For more details, feel free to refer to our help page. 5 steps to Honeygain. Set it up. Number 1. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Help businesses, credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or crypto. Ready to make sweet money? It only takes 5 minutes to start earning with Honeygain. We were on a platform that we wanted to earn more about this easy way to earn passive income. There are 1,000 plus ways to spend your Honeygain rewards. Here are a few ideas. Money rewards, source of passive income, free PayPal money, earn crypto, cover your monthly expenses, free gaming, free Xbox Live, free game skins, Twitch Prime, free in-game currency. So this is what Honeygain gives you. And then if you go more down, covered monthly subscriptions, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify Premium, and YouTube Premium. Let's go for more. Keep your expected earnings. Your earnings are estimated based on GB amount of traffic you share with the Honeygains network. The more you share, the more you earn. $19 per month, 3 devices recommended, daily traffic of 6 GB, and daily content delivery of almost 3 hours. Then you can download Honey Gain. What is your internet used for? Once you start using Honeygain, your device act like view towers and help world famous business access the World Wide Web to without having to worry about location based restriction or censorships. The best part is that you don't just play a part in improving the digital tomorrow, you also get paid real money for it. Keep reading to learn more about why and how your network is used to understand your role better. Respecting you and your privacy. Honeygain's primary goal is to ensure the best passive income experience for each user. Respecting privacy and data security is key. Not only we are crystal clear about how the app uses their internet connection and what digital products depend on such networks, but we also empower our user by providing them 100% control on when and how it works. So guys, this was today's website. Honeygain, go for it and earn more. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.